Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be postmating all my slime supplies. I'm really excited for this video because I've seen Jimenez do these types of videos and I had so much fun watching them, so I was like, why not do it myself but slime edition? So I decided to download the app Postmates and now I'm going to deliver. I'm gonna deliver. Okay, and now I'm gonna like do the Postmate things, whatever you do to like get your items. So basically, if you guys don't know what Postmates is, it's basically like a at-home delivery system. If you wanna if you're too lazy to go to the store and buy something yourself, you can actually like get someone to buy it for you, and then you just pay for like shipping and something like that. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe down below. Turn my post notification by turning that gray bell into a blue one, and yeah. Go ahead and like this video, and yeah, let's get started. So I downloaded the app Postmates, as you guys can see right here. I don't know if you guys can see, I'll insert a clip. And I don't know what store to, okay, I have to put my location, let me turn it on. And now it's telling me to search what store I want to shop at. What store should I shop at? I think Walmart. Let's do Walmart just because it's cheaper. Okay, so hold up. Okay, so now it's asking me to add an item, anything I want. And what should I add? You know what? I'm gonna do it like Jimenez did it. So I'm gonna do it like how Jimenez did it, and I'm just gonna tell him to watch one of my videos and for him to decide what to buy for me to make slime. So that's what I'm gonna tell him. So yeah, I'll be back when I text him, you guys. Hey guys, so I just texted the person who's gonna be buying for me, so now I just have to wait, and he responded that alright, I'll try to do my best. So yeah, that's all for that. I'll wait till he comes and delivers the whole thing to me. So I'll be back and I'll keep in touch with you guys. But before I leave, I just want to show you guys that it's 4:18 and he told me it's gonna be about like 30 to 40 minutes, so I'm gonna be back in 30 to 40 minutes.
Later that same evening.
Okay guys, so it's 5:03 and my what's it called, Postmates driver just texted me that he's outside, so I'll be right back and I'm gonna go get the stuff, okay? So yeah, I'll catch up once I get there. A bit more full than this because I don't even know what's inside of here. Are you guys focused? Can you guys see me? Okay, there we go. So here's the bag. I don't even know what's in here. He just said he could find whatever I mentioned in my video. So let's see what's in here. And by the way, I told him he had an amount of $20, so I transferred that to him. And yeah, so okay. So the first thing I pull out is this clear glue. Oh, that's cool. Some shaving cream, which I don't even think this is gel shaving cream. So some baby powder, some paint. Cake pan, two bottles of glue, pretty wet, Febreze, and glitter. He spent $20, $19.95 for all of this. I didn't get no borax or anything. How am I supposed to activate it? Well, I could just activate it with mine, but where did you get a cake pan? What? Okay. So now I'm gonna try to make slime with everything I got. So yeah. So we're now back with everything we have here, and these are some weird items, you guys. Well, I mean, not everything, just the little puree thingy. I don't even know what it's called, and this little cake pan that he got me. So we're gonna try to work with everything we have. I'm not gonna use anything else except the borax. So I can probably use this as a scent. I don't know. Shaving cream. So let's start with the white base. It's like really interesting what he got me. It's like, why would he get someone who makes slime a cake pan? Wait, is it because I think he saw one of my earliest videos, like one of my first videos when I made a cake? That's probably why he bought me a cake pan. That's interesting. But okay, so we're gonna make the white base one first, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue. That's good. Oh, you know what? Should I make a... Let's put some of the shaving cream on there. Oh, it's gonna turn it blue. Okay, that's enough. And what should I mix it with? Okay, we're gonna mix it in with a pencil. Is it gonna make it? Oh, it's making it fluffy. I haven't made a fluffy slime in a long time. Ooh, wait, it looks like it's already activating it. What? Okay, so I made my borax solution, and now I'm gonna activate it. If anything comes out of it, I'm gonna have to poke a hole. I'm just gonna activate it. I don't know how much borax this needs, because I haven't made fluffy slime in a long time. Like, when I say in a long time, I mean it, you guys. I haven't made it in probably like 5-6 months. No, probably even more. Look, it's already activating. That's so weird. I feel like the shaving cream made it activate a little bit more. This is a weird texture. It's not like a normal fluffy slime. I feel like it's a softer type of fluffy slime. I know you guys can't even see it, but let me try. Okay, so here's the slime, you guys. It actually turned out really good. I love how it turned out. So fluffy. It's a little bit sticky just because it's a different type of shaving cream. It's not the fluffy kind. I'm sorry for this thing. I put a sticker on here and now it's all ugly. But the pokies and the bubbles are so nice. Okay, so next I'm gonna make my clear slime, because he bought me a, what type, I think this is 10 ounces of clear slime. I'm only gonna add that amount. Also, I'm gonna add the glitter. Oh, that's nice. Okay, and now I'm probably gonna mix it with another and activate it. So here's my slime, you guys. It's really pretty. It's a bit sticky still, but I can add a more activator to it. It's really cool. So I really hope you guys liked the video. If you want to see a part 2 to the series, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and leave down in the comments below what supply should I order next. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. What am I doing? Bye guys.